Welcome back, everybody. It's the new year, and I know there are New Year's resolutions out there. I know for a fact lots of you are delving into keto recipes. So I picked this up at the store. Today we're going to try this recipe for keto pancakes. I personally quit making New Year's resolutions for diet and health years ago. I found out it was better to just stay in shape and try to eat healthy the best I could year round, considering the fact that I work as a griddler, right? So there's lots of burgers and bacon and stuff like that out there, so I try to keep in shape. But obviously, keto pancakes caught my eye. 5 simple ingredients. Of course, it's my opinion that the writers of these cookbooks are sissies. So I'm gonna double everything. We're gonna make a larger batch. I'm gonna start out with a whole cup of almond flour. Pick this up at the local grocery store, loosely packed. 8 ounces of cream cheese. In this case, it's the whole brick. And 8 large eggs. 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, and I have a Blackstone lemon zester. That thing is a blast from the past, but I can't find it today. And then I may or may not have broken my first cheese grater. We're on to this. Here we go. We're going to try our best to get some lemon zest. We're not going to measure it either. We're supposed to whisk this together. I actually softened my cream cheese in the house, but it is December, so we're gonna see what happens here. Boy, those are some rich looking yolks, by the way. And I have that 22-inch Blackstone Pro series. This is the one that was a Cyber Monday special this year. Folks ask me about the desired temperature for pancakes, crepes, and French toast a lot. It's really hard to give you an exact temperature. You want it to be just the right temperature, right? Maybe 400-ish if you were using an electric griddle, but of course we're not using an electric griddle today. And we are gonna coat that griddle top with butter. So you guys are seeing this live today. I've never made these before. This is gonna be straight out of the magazine, straight onto the griddle. I'm gonna make a couple of them. We're gonna see if we can stack these and make them look pretty. So far, the lumps are scaring me, I'll be honest with you. They actually look pretty darn good after about a minute or so. I'm gonna say these things are very delicate. They remind me of a crepe in their consistency, so I'm gonna try to flip one of these real quick. I might even employ the 2 spatula technique. Let's see what happens. There we go. That looks pretty darn good. Go in here with 2 on this one. So far, so good. Okay, that's the ugliest one. That's definitely gonna be the middle one, probably. I'll probably go bottom, middle, and top. So it's been about a minute or so since I flipped them. You can see they're not very thick. They definitely have air pockets in there. I do like the nice colors. Believe it or not, it really matches the color in the magazine. Now that's rare. Usually things don't look like that. So as promised, we're gonna grab that big, huge, perfect one and put it down there in the middle. I'm gonna grab this unsightly one, which is definitely the ugliest one here today. You're gonna forget that you saw that. And we're gonna grab our top one. We'll call that the show pancake. Maple syrup, you know I'm all about it, but maybe that's not keto friendly. It does have a lot of sugar. I do know there are companies like Birch Benders, they come to mind, that do make keto friendly maple syrups. I know the recipe in the magazine calls for butter. A keto pancake. Now we haven't tried it yet, but they sure do look good. I can guarantee you these things are packed with protein. Oh my goodness. Hannah had an idea that maybe we throw one of those lemon slices on there, since it kind of highlights the fact that we did use lemon zest. Take a look at that. And I will say the colors match up perfectly. Look at it, actually looks like the recipe in the magazine. Maybe that was the lumps from the cream cheese, I'm not sure, but I mean, I'm liking that. Keto pancakes, shall we give it a try? I will say the cream cheese looks good in there. I know some of the keto baked goods do get a bad name. They can be bland, or gluten-free baked goods can lack flavor. So here we go. I'm not gonna lie to you. It doesn't taste like a traditional pancake. Eggs and cream cheese is what comes through there. It reminds me of an omelet made with eggs and cream cheese. Again, not keto friendly, but syrup, so Let's try it with syrup too, and then I'll tell you if I like it better with syrup or with butter. Would I eat it again? Yes, but I think I might have to break the keto protocol. I might have to have a little more sugar in there, like the maple syrup, or maybe some type of a strawberry preserve on top. I also think that'd be really good with sausage or bacon. Of course, that fits into a keto lifestyle. They cooked up better than I thought they would. I was a little bit fearful when I was mixing it up. As you can see, the consistency is just insane. Like, they came out beautiful, but you know, because it is keto, definitely I have to have the maple syrup. You know, I'm a maple syrup kind of guy. So it really was simple. The pancake came out amazing. The stacks are great. Cream cheese and eggs. If you like cream cheese and eggs, there you go. The almond flour, you know, that was sort of a non-factor. I didn't really taste the lemon in there as well. So you could probably go with more lemon. Maybe orange zest. I think orange zest would be good in there as well. So there you go. Keto lifestyle. Maybe that helps you out. Maybe you're looking for options. I know I get people all the time that say, Todd, I can't eat carb. There you go. It's something keto. So hopefully that helps you out. Make sure you're following us. Check us out, blackstoneproducts.com. That's your source for everything Blackstone. So whether you want to get a cool Blackstone hat or you want to find out what's going on in the world of Blackstone, blackstoneproducts.com. Happy New Year. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the keto pancakes on the Blackstone Griddle, of course.